Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the fastest way to catch the Cantalope Puffer during the classic event. You must to catch this fish to complete the quest on the classic event like this, daily quest on the classic event. This fish is included on uncommon fish that you can find it on classic island like this, and then you can also find it on Iron Cavern. And then next, since the Cantaloupe Puffer is uncommon, just switch your road to an uncommon road like this, and then just use low level, or maybe you can use starter bait to increase your chance. And then another trick is to move fishing spot every 5 until 10 casts if you haven't caught one yet. And then these two methods will work great to finish your daily quest faster. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!